Welcome to day 17 of our 30-day content creation challenge. And guys, today I just want to quickly touch on another brick in the wall. Guys, we have been doing, this is part 3 of our blogging and connecting our blogs to our Pinterest post, because you know that people go onto Pinterest because they are seeking information. Okay, so if you can if we can get through today, then this is just another brick in the wall for you. And this is the way I want you to think about it, because each one of those bricks that you see there will be representing one blog per week, and before you know it, you have got an entire house that you've built for yourself, which is going to be so profitable, because blogging, guys, is a huge thing. Okay, so I want to move on. So we are at the point where we have now built our blog and we found our royalty images that we wanted to put in. We either generated them from Midjourney or from Meta AI or from wherever, or we just found them on Pixabay or pexels.com. And we can then use them, add them into our blogs. Don't put too many images in. I would recommend 1 to 2 images max in a blog, because people that love reading blogs, they want to be reading, you know, like, so we get a lot of readers out there. So this is really just for reading purposes. And today we will post and schedule our blogs, and I'm going to show you the process of actually linking your blog to your faceless content that you have already created. It can even be face content, but for this purpose today, we will be using a faceless video that I created, or a B-roll video that I created, which I already scheduled to my TikTok and my YouTube and my Facebook and Instagram. But now we are going to connect our blog with our Pinterest post, and this is what we will do today. So I want to quickly touch with you guys on Pinterest and just quickly run through this. So as I told you guys, I've been running with the Legacy Builder program for quite some time. Even before it was Legacy Builder, it was IPS. So what it was called was the 6-figure blueprint. So today I just want to quickly, I don't really want to do a Pinterest tutorial right now. I will probably at some stage get to that. But I want you guys to go and think of 6 topics that is going to, if you don't have a Pinterest board at all, or if you don't have a Pinterest account at all, the way that you're going to do this is you can use ChatGPT, and you can even do this according to your keywords that comes up around your product or whatever services you are doing. If you're in affiliate marketing, I would suggest opening up a board for affiliate stuff. You can go all kinds of routes with this thing, but for today's purposes, I'm going to post it under the 6-figure blueprint. But what I'm going to do first is, the 6-figure blueprint is not called the 6-figure blueprint anymore. So I'm going to go into my edit. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to edit my board. Let me just do that again. So if this is my board, right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this to edit my board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this the Legacy Builder program. Okay, so I'm going to actually update and show you guys just how you can run through this. Now, what I've done here in my description: digital marketing tips, remote work success, profitable business ideas, online income opportunities, work from home. So those are all of the keywords and all of the things that I will be pinning about in this particular board. So that is, I'm going to keep that the same for now. I might come back at some later stage and come and refine it and whatever else, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to change the name of this board. Right, so now we're going to go and we're going to actually click on this board, and we're going to go onto this plus here. That is how you upload. I mean, I've shown you guys how to schedule to Pinterest before. So I'm going to create a new pin, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my pin right here that I wrote my blog about. Now, most of my most of my faceless contents, and especially these ones, are all about the same thing more or less, because I'm selling the same products. It's work from home, it's work online, so all of them are more the kind of the same. So this is what I want to show you guys today, is you don't have to create a blog for each and every single one of your posts. You can create a blog per week and attach that one blog to all of your posts for the week. So you only have to do one blog a week. You can do more if you think that you have the time to do more, but guys, keep it simple in the beginning. If you are only just learning how to do blogging, then stick to one blog a week. One blog a week is another brick in the wall, and before you know it, 3 months have gone by and you have got yourself 12 new blogs that is out there, and people are reading them on Medium, and they're being referred from Medium to Pinterest and from Pinterest to Medium. And I've got some goodies at the end of this for you about Medium as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this in there. And here I go. So feeling like you always struggling, constant financial and personal struggling weighing you down, overcome struggles with our comprehensive support system. Join us and start overcoming your challenges. So that is what we blogged about, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to go back in here where I have put my keywords, right? Because remember, my keywords was what I got from, so we are using this one at the moment. So my keywords is what I actually got from Pinterest, and currently I am now posting onto Pinterest, right? So I'm going to copy my keywords and I'm going to go back into ChatGPT and I'm going to say, create a title for my Pinterest post that speaks about financial struggle, and these are my keywords used in my blog. This title must be a stop the scroll title, very catchy and curious, and something like that. And then I'm going to just post my keywords in there, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a title for me for this post that I am doing. But I'm putting my keywords in there so that it can actually pull maybe one or two or even a phrase from my keywords, right? Because I want my keywords to actually come up everywhere inside of this post and the blog, because that is how it's going to pull your readers and your viewers towards each other, right? So I'm just waiting for my ChatGPT, which has been really slow the last while. So the thing about Pinterest is that, you know, like I said to you guys, it's extremely SEO orientated. So you've got to really think strategically when you are posting anything to Pinterest. So it says, unlock your financial freedom, discover life-changing hacks and top small business ideas now. So I'm going to take this and I'm actually going to take it and I'm going to throw it into Magic Write, and I'm going to ask Magic Write to make it more fun. Unlock your financial freedom, discover life-changing, unleash your financial freedom, explore game-changing tips and hottest small biz ideas today. Okay, so I don't like the small business, but I want to say online business. So unleash your financial freedom. I really don't like unleash. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my blog. Okay, so my blog that I wrote says crack the code to financial and personal freedom. So I'm wondering if I shouldn't actually use that as a title. I can also use that as a title. Yeah, I think maybe let's do that. Okay, so let's go into my blog. But I just wanted to show you, I actually just wanted to show you guys that finding your finding your name, you can play around with it, and you can actually, now what I can do is I can say take the title above and incorporate it with this title, still keeping the key words in mind. Okay, so let's see what it gives me. I like to just play around with it a little bit. If I don't find something that I like, then I can always just take the title of the blog, right? Okay, so what it's actually done is it's given me a number of titles. Final title choice: crack the code to financial freedom, unlock life-changing hacks for best small business ideas. Crack the code to financial freedom, top hacks for your work from home journey. Discover how to crack the code to financial freedom, essential hacks and business ideas. Crack the code to financial success, life hacks and strategies for your cozy work home office. Unlock your path to freedom. So what it's done, it's actually taken all of my keywords, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. It's taken the keywords and incorporated it into my title for me. Okay, so I can remember that unlock life-changing hacks and small business ideas, unlock financial freedom, crack the code with essential hacks, crack the code financial essential hacks for your cozy home office, unlock the path to freedom, crack the code with financial life hacks. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take let me just see why it is hanging so much. It's telling me it's still busy. I like the fact of top business ideas. And I'm going to play around with that a little bit. I'll show you guys now if I can actually get this. Best business ideas. Like them best. Discover how to crack the code to financial freedom, essential hacks and best business ideas. Okay, so let's take this one. And we're going to put it in here. Crack the code to financial freedom, essential hacks and top, I'm going to say top business, top, I want to say top online business businesses for 2024, right? So crack the code to financial freedom. I'm going to take essential out. Hacks and top hacks. Let's take hacks out and say top online businesses for 2024. How to crack the code. Feeling like you're always struggling, constant financial and personal struggle. Okay, in the description, so now I'm going to take this, and in my description, I'm going to say, take this title and use this copy, and the copy that I used inside of this video is obviously this copy. So guys, I'm just kind of like playing around again, once again, just to show you guys how you can actually really generate stuff through using AI, you know, and that's the words that I used inside of it. and write a description for my Pinterest post and tell my readers to check out my blog. And let's just say that for now. We're gonna have to wait now again for it to generate it. So guys, what I'm doing now is I am generating my script for my description that I want to put in here, right? And I kind of want to add some of the keywords in here as well, especially those ones that I knew were high ranking. Remember, the ones that I chose and incorporated inside of my blog. Now I'm waiting for ChatGPT. Let's just see. It is going to take all of that. Awesome. So now it's given me a description and it's also given me these keywords, right? And check what it's done. It has used the actual keywords that I all got together. So this is amazing, guys. Feeling like you're always struggling, constant financial and personal struggles weighing you down. Overcome your struggles with our comprehensive support system. Join us and start overcoming your challenges. Our latest blog delves into the top online business. So you see, I can't say that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out my blog for more details and start your journey today. So I'm going to take this. Let me actually just get this. Okay, I'm going to take this. Discover how to crack the code to financial freedom. Okay, wait. I'm going to take this. And I'm going to actually use this as my description. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, feeling like you're always struggling, constant financial and personal struggles weighing you down, overcome your struggles with comprehensive, join us. So basically what it's done there, it's actually just rewritten all of that for me. So what I want to do is I want to say, so I'm actually going to take this, put it in here, and I'm going to go back to my my normal description that I normally use, and that is this one, right? So all of the pros that I have, and I'm going to put that in here. So guys, sometimes you just got to really... if you really spend a lot of time with this, you'll never have to come back to this again. So never run out of stock. Join us and start overcoming your challenges. Okay, and then here we get to the part. Our latest blog delves into the top online business for 2024 that can transform your financial situation. Get actionable insight, learn about the best opportunities, and take the first step towards financial freedom. And I will go here and I will say learn about the top online, as same as in my title, top online business. Learn about the top online business in 2024 and check out my blog for more details for your success. Okay, and then what I want to do is those tags that it has given me, I want to take that and I want to copy it and put it right in here. Okay, so then I want to go into my Medium and I'm going to take this link, copy link, because this is my blog that I wrote, and I'm going to then put it in here, right? So that's my blog post link. And then what I can do is, obviously, I can publish it whenever I want to. And guys, that is how you can do this. So what I would do for this one, maybe, let's look at the calendar. Let's look at the calendar and see that tomorrow is Saturday. Maybe Sunday would be a good day because people have time on a Sunday to read, right? And I'll probably keep this on 12. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep it on 12 p.m. And there we go. And that is literally how you now you've taken content that you have already created and you are now connecting it to your blog. So we're going to do this one more time. So I'm going to schedule this, and this is going to go out for Sunday, 12 o'clock. Okay. So inside of my content creation calendar, I'm going to go Sunday 12 o'clock. I'm going to put in, let's just copy this. So I'm going to change the time here. I'm going to say that I've posted this Sunday 12 o'clock and my blog goes along with that. Okay. And so my blog is about financial struggles. Okay. So I just want to keep track of what I have posted. Okay, so this has now been scheduled for that day. But because my blog is so general, and because my blog is it kind of incorporates everything about, the daily struggles and, how it is not good for your health. And I've put all of my links in there that I can. So my blog is so comprehensive that I can actually attach my blog to another post if I want to. So this is the way. I remember I said to you guys, let's just go back to here. So I've scheduled that one for Sunday now, right? So remember I said to you guys that you've got 6 different boards, okay? So what I can do is I can use that very same blog. So I've now scheduled that one for Sunday under the Legacy Builder. But I also speak about remote work success tips, because this is a tip for people that work remotely, right? They can actually start this business as well if they're already into remote work success tips. So what I will do is I will go in here and I will take another one, create pin, and I'll take another one of my, let's just actually make this a bit bigger so I can see. Struggle to keep up with life's demands, want to create positive impact, struggling to find your path, feeling like you're stuck in a rut. Let's take that one, okay? So I'm going to take this one. And basically, I'm going to be able to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to be able to link my blog. So the video is just the thing that is going to be visual, that's going to attract people. But when they actually click on it, daily routine, leaving you uninspired and unmotivated, break free from the rut with our dynamic program. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, let's say feeling like you're stuck in a rut. I'm going to take that. Let's just go back to my content. Feeling like you constantly failing, feeling like you're stuck in a rut. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to do the same thing. It seems like it's taking long, but because we're scheduling it, it takes you about half an hour to 45 minutes to schedule all of your already made content, because you're repurposing your content and now you're just connecting your week's blog to those posts, right? So it doesn't really take that long. So these are the keywords. Let me just take the keywords and actually put them in here, and there we go. So now I'm just going to quickly let it generate what it thinks. I don't always use the titles that it gives to me. Sometimes I will change the titles a little bit up, according to what I think is better, just like you saw with the first one. So guys, it really is up to you what you want to put in there, but I highly suggest not to just grab any and everything that ChatGPT gives you. We are just supposed to use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner, right? But we mustn't just take everything and anything that ChatGPT gives us and just copy and paste it like that. And that is exactly why I also introduced you guys to the make it human toy to play around with, and why I'm showing you guys to use Magic Write, because it's just a little bit of a variety of stuff, because people use ChatGPT so much at the moment that people can instantly see when something has not been written out by yourself or typed out by yourself. So you got to still put your final human touch in there and put a little bit of you in there. Okay, so feeling stuck in a rut, discover financial life hacks, and personal business to break free. So I actually like that, because it's kind of actually put a thingy in there for me. Okay, so in my title, there we go, and in my description, what I'm going to do is let's just quickly take this, we're going to take this and we're going to go and put it into our tag section, and we are going to put our blog link in here. I just want to do all of this before I make sure you got the right link for your blog. Put your blog link in there, and then we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to say, create a description for my Pinterest post from this title, and let's see what it says. So guys, I just really roll with it. Okay, so if ChatGPT, gives you something that you do not like, you don't have to use it. That's the nice thing about it. Or you can always take it and drag it through Magic Write, like we have done. So guys, it's given me this, and I really actually quite like this because it's incorporated my keywords into my description, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to post it in there. And there we go. We've got our Medium link. We've got everything in there, and now we can schedule it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to post this one for today. So let's do this one today at, let's say 3. There we go. There we go. Okay, and so now I know that this one will be going out at 3 today, and that is how you can incorporate your blogs into your Pinterest posts, and you are literally just using the content that you have already created, guys. So I would go into my content calendar, and I would then just go and I would then just mark down that I also released my blog today. And this is how, when you are scheduling now, when you're creating content, you're going to create one blog every week, and you're going to connect your one blog to your week's content that you've made. If you are creating, like some people are already with what they've learned from this 30-day course, some people are already creating a week, 3-4 weeks ahead of time, then maybe write, a week, a blog per week, so that you can link different blogs to different posts. So get 4 general topics that you're going to blog about, and then link your 4 blogs. Each and every single Pinterest post that goes out should have a blog attached to it, so that people can see that you are actually giving them full information. It's not just a random thing that you're putting on Pinterest, because people love information on on Pinterest. Okay, so I'm then going to go here in my content calendar, and I'm going to say that I posted my Pinterest blog, my Pinterest post and my blog today. Guys, I really hope that this has helped you. So what we can do right now is we can actually tick this off, and we can finish it off and say, you know what, we've done this for the week. We have now posted and scheduled to Pinterest, but we still have one last thing that we need to do here, right? So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to incorporate a newsletter that's going to send out your blog, and that's going to be a very quick one. Just for those of you that do not know how to create a newsletter and incorporate your information into a newsletter, because you've now created a whole new system here, a whole new stream of new people that you're going to attract. Okay, so you've got to send a newsletter about it, but that is going to be the next tutorial that we're going to do, ending it off with our blog and our newsletter. So great, guys, I hope this blessed you. I know that it has been a little bit long-winded to create this blog, but now you know the entire system. I've tried to give you all of the information that I know. And the very last thing that I want to end off with today, guys, is I want to show you that there is information right here about how you can monetize medium.com. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this video. It's an hour video that you can watch on how you can really monetize your blogging with medium.com. Okay, so I'm going to just add that into the description of this video for you guys. So guys, I really hope that this has helped you to understand how you can do blogging, incorporate all of your products and stuff into your blog, then link it to your Pinterest account so that your Pinterest posts are full. They are full of juicy information, full of all of your product links, so that we can just get more sales out there. Guys, I hope this has blessed you. Have an amazing day.